Chapter 100, Preparation Engineering Drawings Associated List General with the chapter for the ASME Y14100M established for the essential general requirements of the reference chain with the half step to the preparation for the engineering drawings associated list. Basic practice for the basic practice with include the associated reference to standard for that over the specific preparation engineering drawings associated with the contain ASME Y14100M. Detail contained intended to provide visibility with the requirements of the government. Metric practice with the metric practice shown conformed for the ASME Y14100M. Graphic symbol, designation letter, symbol, abbreviation, general, graphic symbols, designation letter, symbol, abbreviation for the engineering associated lift that should be in accordance with the standards indicated below ASME Y14100M. Graphic symbol, designation letter, symbol, abbreviations not covered the list stand with the maybe of the provide with explain with each of the drawing of the reference to with the explanatory document. References of the explanatory document with the non-standard of the symbol shall be finished for the original engineering drawings for the non-standard graphic symbol for the designation letter symbol. Abbreviations are usually repeated that should be forwarded to the custodian of the standard with the possible inclusion of the respective standards. Graphic symbols. Graphic symbols of the fluoric power diagrams. Graphic symbols of the fluoric power of the diagrams in accordance with military standard 1306. Ship structural symbols shall be in accordance with military standard 25. Printed board drawings shall be in accordance with the requirements of military standard 2118 ASNA IPC FC 250 ANSI IPC D275. As applicable, data preparation, maintenance, delivery, access materials, plastic sheet roll, original plastic sheet shall be in accordance with the LP519, Type 1, Type 2, Class 2. Undimensional drawings, printed wiring, artwork, master, production, master drawing, master part drawings shall be in accordance with military standard, military D5480 with the Class 2 Type A or B, LP519 Type 1 or 2 Class 1. Paper tracing paper for the dimension drawing shown in accordance with the UBUP 561 type as specified. Film diazotype, the copy of the intensified the diazotype film with accordance with the L530, L5F340 type classes specified. The digital data engineering drawings prepared with the manual means with the special for the computer-aided generated drawings should provide with all information required for the particular drawing type and level of the design disclosure variation of the requirements specified here and the accommodative of the documentation preparation except as long as these variations meet the requirements relative to the information contents. Pliers, original maintained with the digital data, copy resolved with electrostatic pliers need not to meet with the material to ensure for the aging requirements of the LP519 and A2924 2946. Alright, 101422, maintenance. Unless otherwise specified requirement, the ensuring the aging of the paper that does not apply with the associated list prepared with the automatic data processing drawings prepared with the maintain the digital data, associated list of material, associated list prepared with the digital data need not to meet the requirements of 101411 or 101412. Physical media, the digital production definitions data shall be conformed with the military standards 1840. The initial graphic exchange specification IGES. Initial graphic exchange specifications, data files of the Class 2 for the application data sets conform to military preference 28,000, military standard 1840, raster data files showing conform to military preference 28,002, or military standard 1840. Standardization general markup language, standardization general markup language, data files, predominantly textual engineering drawings shall be in accordance with the military preference 28001 and military standard 1840. Preparation duplicate original. Duplicates original shall not prepare for the purpose of the maintaining duplicate record for the application is limited to replacing missing original drawings. Drawing marking is for item and packaging identification. Drawing specifying marking requirements of the item include the item packaging identification drawing requirements of the identification marking definition. The delineation part of the identification marking with the drawing shall consist with requirements of Chapter 400 Military Standard 130 and shall be clear with the detailed method of the application for example stamp stencil material example ink part AA208 package items package data requirements of packaging identification shall be consistent with requirements of Military Standard 129. Altered selected source of control identification. Altered selected source of the control shall be identified with the accordance Military Standard 130. Printed board assembly. 10154 drawings pertaining to the printed board assembly shall be specified with the marking location content method side of the material prior marking marking specified with the extent of the applicability military standard 12885 military standard 2118 and ANSI IPC D275 is applicable. Code identification FSME code identification FSM and C a cage code. Terms of SSM and code identification existing documents prepared format and stock needed to update with the cage code and cage code entity. Chapter 200, type of engineering drawings.